Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 Misc for independent contractors. First, let's understand what this form is all about. Form 1099 Misc is used to report various types of income paid to non-employees, such as independent contractors, for services rendered. It's crucial for businesses to accurately report these payments to the Internal Revenue Service and to the contractors themselves. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you meet all requirements and deadlines. Next, let's clarify who actually needs to receive a Form 1099 Misc. Generally, you must issue this form if you paid at least $600 to an unincorporated independent contractor for services during the tax year. This includes payments for rents, prizes, awards, and other income. However, you typically do not need to issue a 1099 Misc to corporations, including LLCs taxed as corporations, unless specific exceptions apply. Always verify the contractor's business structure. Now, let's get into the details of gathering information and filling out the form. The first critical step is to obtain a completed Form W-9 from every independent contractor before making any payments. This form provides their taxpayer identification number and certification. Then, accurately fill in your business's information as the payer and the contractor's details as the recipient. The most common entry is in Box 7 for non-employee compensation, where you'll report the total amount paid. Finally, let's discuss the crucial filing and distribution deadlines. You must furnish copy B of Form 1099 Misc to your independent contractors by January 31st. This gives them time to prepare their own tax returns. Simultaneously, if you are reporting non-employee compensation in Box 7, you must file copy with the IRS by January 31st as well. Electronic filing is highly recommended, especially for businesses filing 25 or more forms, as it offers confirmation and often extends the deadline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.